What if I told you that most people don't struggle with money because they earn too little? They struggle because they make decisions without information. In today's world, data is power. And the people who understand how to use it are the ones building financial confidence, one smart decision at a time. Most people rely on guesswork. They chase trends, follow rumors, and hope for miracles. But hope is not a strategy. Everything changed when I learned about AI tools that analyze trends, monitor behavior, and turn complex numbers into simple insights. These tools don't make you rich, they make you informed. And informed people win. Instead of gambling, I began using AI tools to research different financial spaces like digital products, freelancing trends, and emerging markets. I wasn't chasing fast money, I was building decision intelligence. Every day, I reviewed dashboards, tracked patterns, and adjusted strategies. I didn't move on emotion. I moved on evidence. I joined online communities. I listened to experienced people. I learned from mistakes that were not my own. Your circle isn't just who you hang with, it's who you learn from. The biggest lesson wasn't about money. It was about control. When you understand your numbers, you control your future. Fear and excitement destroy portfolios. So I practiced emotional discipline. I learned to pause, to think, to analyze. Imagine waking up each day with a clear understanding of your finances, equipped with insights that guide your every choice. You're no longer tossing coins or guessing where to invest. Instead, you make informed decisions powered by the data at your fingertips. By embracing these AI tools, you don't just react to the market, you anticipate it, building your wealth systematically and sustainably. As you refine your strategies, you gain a level of financial literacy that empowers you to navigate even the stormiest economic seas with confidence. This transformation is not just about numbers, it's about adopting a new mindset. You realize that financial success is within reach if you commit to learning and adapting. With each decision, you cultivate a sense of security, knowing that you are no longer reliant on luck or fleeting trends. The community around you becomes a resource for growth, fueling your determination and reinforcing your belief in your ability to succeed. It's a journey of empowerment, where every piece of knowledge adds to the foundation of your financial independence. As you mold your approach, you foster resilience, understanding that your choices today shape the outcomes of tomorrow's financial landscape. As I delved deeper into my financial education, I discovered the importance of surrounding myself with inspiring mentors and thought leaders. I actively engaged in discussions on various platforms, absorbing their experiences and strategies. Each interaction empowered me, showing me that the path to financial success is built on shared knowledge and collaboration. I understood that the more I invested in learning from others, the more equipped I became to make sound decisions. The lessons weren't just academic, they were life-changing insights that guided me through the complexities of finance. In this new environment, hope transformed into a powerful tool for tangible growth and action. As I embraced these changes, I learned the power of patience. By applying patience, I began to see the cumulative effect of consistently informed decisions, leading to a sustainable financial future. This approach to wealth was no longer about quick fixes, but rather about crafting a legacy built on knowledge, resilience, and continuous growth. Technology doesn't replace effort, it rewards smart effort. Follow Mindset for Wealth TV if you're ready to think differently about money and build financial confidence from the inside out.